1970 Dodge Charger Real U-Coat RT440 Special Edition car. Yes, original Plum Crazy FC7 code. Power steering, power brakes, vintage air conditioning. Body looks solid all around. It's got leather seats because it is a special edition car. Leather buckets, console, beautiful panels all around. Paint is unbelievable. Trunk is super clean. Listen, financing is available. Get on it. You will need good credit and 10% down. $9,000 down. Check out the credit report at mgmclassiccars.com. And if you need delivery, call me or text me on my cell. My number is 847-848-1850. Check it out, guys. Real 70 Dodge Charger RT SE.